understand what all the fussing about. Open the door and get the W out. What you were thinking for you get the speaker and you get the foot in your mouth. I don't understand if you putting me out. Will never lose and I think it's true. I think you got us coming about. Look at the damn you're doing it out. Look at I love you, but this is the kind of love I can never do without. Cause your love is like schizophrenia. And I'll be like, don't know what to got in me. Baby, I've tried, your love is like
so I can fuck the world for 72 hours.
Whoa. You want to give me a rundown real quick? What's in here?
I got two 18K, 4 Hooligans, and 2 Lithium battery 100 amp.
Lithium. Okay, 2 of them. All right. What's the box tuned to?
37.
37 hertz. All right. Have you metered it?
Yeah.
What did it do?
On the meter, I do like a 150, 4.7.
Really? That's really great. Wow. Awesome.
Outlaw, 156.7.
Okay. That's what you. That's really good, man. Awesome. Okay. I like how you strapped it down because it moves.
It moves a lot.
Yeah. Did you build this?
No, my friend built it.
Okay. Are these at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
They are. Okay.
But I cannot play my phone.
That's all right, man. What frequency was that?
37.
37. So around your peak.
I think at 37.
Okay.
Yes, but if I can play this, you get more.
Oh yeah. Do you have anything a little lower? Like, what's the lowest you play down to? You think? Like 25, 26? What? Do you know how low you play?
No. I got a special song if I play, but I don't got it.
Don't worry about it, man.
Make us see if something can drop down low. Which one I think it'll be low? What number?
I would do 28 and just slope it up. You know what I mean? Just slope it up with the bass knob. That way you can. About where you want to go down to for your tuning. So yeah, appreciate it, man. Didn't want anything to bottom out. So
all right,
awesome. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. That was a pleasure to meet you. Could I see the back of the box? Yeah, I would love to, man.
Sometimes I think I should just go and just leave. You don't try to tell me nothing, you to be fussing and cussing me out. You don't understand what all the fussing about. Open the door and get the W out. What you were thinking for you get the speaker and you get the foot in your mouth. I don't understand if you putting me out. I will never lose and I think it's true. I think you got us coming about. Look at the damn you're doing it out. Look at love you, but there's a kind of love I can never do without. Cause your love is like schizophrenia. And I'll be like, don't know what to got in the baby, I've tried, your love is like schizophrenia. I'll be like, I'll be a straight.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video with a thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow.